Decompression EDC knife. Special feature, light, folding. Age range, description, adult. Included components, pocket clip. Handle material, brass. Handle is made of brass and blade is made of stainless steel. This mini knife is an EDC pocket knife, same as some other knives, but also it is a depression gadget, different from others. It has a unique handle design with rotatable dice, that is fun when you feel bored. It's a pocket knife with a keyring, which is used as a pendant. Razor sharp, lightweight, durable and quality, for everyday carry. It can carve with its razor sharp edge. Its stainless steel blade provides excellent strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. This blade does not bend and break while cutting or slicing after frequent use. Mini size but big usage, ultra-compact size makes it perfect to fit into pocket, backpack, also used as decoration for your keychain. This mini knife will make your life more convenient when you carry it every day, such as peeling the fruit, open boxes and package, pencil sharpening. Wonderful gift, ideal pocket knife, for women and gentlemen. Keychain pocket knife, compact retractable folding blade with stainless steel, EDC portable knife. Someone can also hang it on a keychain. The slimline design makes this a great choice as a pocket knife, for everyday carry. Wide usage, utility pocket knife for fruit, hard food, paper cutting, opening box and package, pencil sharpening, unpacking, cutting rope branch and plastic products, carving knives, flower trimming, crafts processing, at home, office, driving, hiking, outdoors, adventure, etc.